Have you ever been to a post office?
Do you know how to send a package in English?
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation at the post office.
Let's get started.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today's lesson will help you learn useful English for visiting a post office.
Hi, Paul. Where are you going?
Hi, Emily. I'm going to the post office.
Really? What do you need to do?
I want to send a birthday gift to my sister.
That's nice. Can I come with you?
Of course.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to send this package, please.
Certainly. Where is it going?
It's going to Australia.
Would you like standard or express shipping?
How long does standard shipping take?
About 7 to 10 business days.
I'll choose express shipping.
Great. Please place the package on the scale.
Sure.
The shipping cost is $15.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here's your receipt and tracking number.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. That was easy.
Yes, now I know how to send a package in English.
Great job.
Thanks for coming with me.
Excellent job listening to today's conversation.
Practice a little English every day and you'll improve step by step.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.